Nirad C. Chaudhary, 1897 to 1999, was a renowned Indian writer, historian, and cultural commentator. Born in Kishorganj, now in Bangladesh, he was deeply influenced by both Indian and Western cultures. He is best known for his autobiographical work, The Autobiography of an Unknown Indian, 1951, which gained international acclaim. Chaudhary was a fierce intellectual known for his admiration of British culture and sharp critiques of Indian society. He later settled in England and was made a commander of the British Empire CBE in 1992. His writings reflect deep erudition, irony, and a unique cross-cultural perspective. A.K. Ramanujan, 1929 to 1993, was a renowned Indian poet, scholar, translator, and folklorist. Born in Mysore, he wrote in both English and Kannada and made significant contributions to Indian literature and cultural studies. His poetry explores themes of identity, memory, tradition, and modernity. Notable works include The Striders and Relations. He also translated classical Tamil and Kannada poetry into English, bringing ancient Indian literature to global audiences. As a professor in the US, he taught at the University of Chicago. Ramanujan's interdisciplinary work left a lasting impact on literature, linguistics, and South Asian studies. Amitav Ghosh, born 1956, is a prominent Indian author known for his historical fiction, blending literature with global history, migration, and climate change. Born in Kolkata, he studied at Delhi University and the University of Oxford. His major works include The Shadowlines, The Glass Palace, and the Ibis trilogy, Sea of Poppies, River of Smoke, Flood of Fire. Ghosh's writing often explores colonialism, identity, and environmental crises. He has received several awards, including the Gyanpith Award and Sahitya Academy Award. Ghosh is internationally acclaimed for his rich narratives and deep research into cultural and historical themes.
Om Prakash Valmiki, 1950 to 2013, was a prominent Dalit writer, poet, and social activist known for his powerful voice against caste discrimination. Born in Barla village, Uttar Pradesh, he faced severe caste-based oppression from childhood. His autobiography Juthan is a landmark in Dalit literature, portraying the harsh realities of untouchability and social exclusion. Valmiki's writings include poetry, short stories, and essays that reflect the struggles and dignity of Dalit life. He worked to raise awareness of caste injustice through literature and activism. His contributions have had a lasting impact on Indian social and literary discourse.